Hey everyone, if you want a reliable way to protect your important files, Rclone is one of the best tools available for creating backups to cloud storage and remote locations. In this video, I'll show you how to backup files with Rclone from start to finish in 2026. First, make sure Rclone is installed on your computer and that you've already configured a remote cloud storage connection such as Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, Amazon S3, Backblaze B2, Wasabi, or another supported provider. Before running a large backup, perform a test using a small folder. This helps verify that your configuration is working correctly and that files are being stored where expected. Another helpful step is using a dry run. A dry run simulates the backup process and shows what actions would be performed without actually transferring any files. Once you're confident in the setup, start the backup operation and monitor the progress. Finally, keep Rclone updated so you can benefit from performance improvements, security updates, and compatibility enhancements. And that's how to back up files with Rclone in 2026. With proper planning, encryption, automation, and verification, Rclone can become a powerful and dependable backup solution for your important data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.